Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as we have been talking about on the channel, Microsoft said earlier this year that it's going to be fixing Windows 11 as part of its K2 initiative and effort throughout the course of this year, 2026. And just to let you know now that it seems that Intel is now joining Microsoft because it has announced new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers that are set to be aligned with Microsoft's commitment to improving Windows, basically improving the performance and the overall user experience in line with Microsoft's K2 commitment. So if we head over to the wireless driver, here we can see 24.50.0 is the latest, and the Bluetooth 24.50.0 as well. And the rollout was yesterday on the 30th of June 2026. Now for both, here's the download link for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here's the size. And if we have a look here, Intel says starting with 2450, Intel wireless Wi-Fi drivers integrate enhancements aligned with Microsoft's Windows ecosystem quality initiative to optimize performance and user experience. And that's exactly the same for the Bluetooth. And if we click on the Windows ecosystem quality initiative, that takes us over to what I've posted on previously, Microsoft's commitment to Windows quality, where Microsoft announced that it's going to be addressing pain points in the operating system throughout the course of this year. So as mentioned, it seems now that Intel is joining Microsoft, obviously because it is one of Microsoft's biggest OEMs, original equipment manufacturers. And then if we head down to this section, here are the products listed that are supported. And for the Bluetooth driver, there we go. You can just pause the video at the relevant timestamp. And for both of these, the Bluetooth driver and the Wi-Fi wireless driver, I will leave the download link, both of these pages, in the description for easy access and reference. And like I say, with any driver, I personally don't recommend always installing the latest and greatest driver, especially if you're happy the way your system is running. Only install the latest driver, obviously, if you are waiting for a new feature that it includes, or if it's got a fix or an improvement that you are waiting for on your device. And my reason for saying don't always install the latest and greatest if your machine is running properly is because drivers are one of the biggest contributions towards issues on Windows 10 and Windows 11. But nonetheless, that's the new Intel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11 as part of Intel's commitment to Microsoft's K2 initiative. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.